Hi everyone, this is me again, Teacher Noy, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. See, medyo jump pack tayo ngayon because of our visitors. This is my gang. This is my priceless, valuable, precious. Lahat na lang ng positive adjectives are the things that I'm going to use dito. Pero these are just some of my Ganplas. So I still have many, pero I decided to show these 5, not because these are the top 5 favorite Ganplas. Pero pwede na rin, I have a backstory for each. If you could remember in my previous video, I think this is the first video that I uploaded here, that I told you that whenever I am buying a Ganpla, it has a twin, and its twin is something that's happening in my life. When I want to immortalize an event in my life, that's when I impulsively buy a Ganpla. Kasi if there is something in common with this 5, I bought them impulsively. At yung mga kasama ko when I am buying this, I'm sure right now that they are laughing because they can remember a certain story about each of this while I am buying this. May mga panahon that I'm happy, meron din na malungkot, or meron din galit, and it's because, syempre, hindi na pagbibigyan, di ba? Hindi na pagbibigyan kasi gusto, lalo na ito. Lalong-lalo ka na. You have a very unforgettable story that I'm not going to forget. As you can see, I have arranged my Ganplas according to the oldest up to the latest. So yung oldest po na sinasabi ko dito is not the oldest when it comes to how it was aired as an anime or created as a manga. Ang minimension ko lang po ditong oldest is the oldest purchase and the latest purchase that I have. So if I'm going to introduce to you one by one these precious ones, my little perfect precious beings. Being ba to? Mga inanimate object siya. Hindi ko naman po sila kinakausap. When you're really happy looking at them sometimes, pero I am not imagining naman that they are talking to me. It just happened that I really want to talk to them because I am proud that I have them in my life. Even though that they were not perfectly built, kasi I assure you, there are accidents that happen while building these things. And you cannot really avoid having accidents. But you just have to accept it, okay? Kaya nga diba sa flow theory, when I was building this one, as explained and supported by flow theory, when you are building something that you really like as an activity, even if the outcome is not that perfect, but because you enjoyed the process of doing it, and there is a story and a memory that is being imprinted into that, I think that is something that is worth everything, even if it is not perfectly made. Ganun naman po di ba talaga ang buhay? Kahit hindi naman perfecto ang buhay, it may not be perfect, but if you lived it in a way that you want it to be lived, I think that it is something that is worth appreciating and worth remembering. Especially syempre doon sa who lived their life happily. Diba? Dapat kasi happy and contented tayo with the life. Katulad nito, by just collecting this Ganpla, I can say that I am happy, and of course, my dream of having a room full of Ganpla, one by one, we're going to achieve that. So I told you a while ago that this is my oldest Ganpla and this is my latest. So this one I bought, I think this is after the barangay election last 2018. Alam kong barangay election ko to binili. Ang pinambili ko po para dito ay yung binayad po sa akin when I served during that barangay election in Makati. So it's because of the I think it's a very stressful day for me. Plus night. Tapos naging early morning pa siya. Imagine that you stayed there starting na mga parang 5 a.m. in the morning, then you went home like 1 a.m. Yeah, it's an early morning ka na nakabalik sa bahay. So the next day that when they told me that I'm going to, get the money in Comelec, and I got the money, the next thing that I did was I went to the mall and bought this. Sabi ko, bibilin ko to, regardless how much it is. Tamang-tama, naka-sale siya nung panahon na yun. Kaya, nabili ko siya. Okay? This one naman, I bought it, parang it's in the mid of 2018. So imagine niyo I bought Ganplas, okay, in one same year. Naalala ko talaga noon, mas pinaprioritize kong bumili ng Ganpla kaysa bumili ng bagong damit. And I think naman, it made me happier when I was away from my family, diba? So I bought this one mid-2018. It was after my class in law school. Pumunta kami ng friend ko in SM Mega Mall. Then when I saw this, I asked my friend who is a lawyer na ngayon, ako na lang ang hindi. Pero I asked my friend na parang I need to buy it because I need to remember this moment. Siguro this naalala ko to, this is when I was, I bought it. The reason why I bought it that day, because I was so happy that I was able to survive a recitation in Criminal Law 1. So, di ba? Simple lang yung mga rason kung bakit mo binili. Ito, napagod ka. Ito naman, na-survive mo ang Criminal Law 1. So, that's the reason why I bought this Gundam Unicorn RX-0. Now, fast forward during the pandemic, this is in 2021, when I was really thinking of buying. It's because I really want to have the classic Gunpla. Parang sabi ko, I've been buying yung mga iba-iba ng version, pero the one that I grew up with, watching sa television, was this one. This is my, parang ito yung classic para sa akin, because this is what I know when you are talking about Gunpla. So ito yun. Pag Gunpla, ito talaga siya. So this one I bought ng 2021, during that time that I bought it. So I bought it online. I think it was 2021, I bought it. Wala lang, just to celebrate that, not wala lang, pero siguro this is a remembrance. Or this is a reminder that I am here in Catanduanes. I am earning a lot. I am earning a lot ba? I am earning a lot of money, feeling ko that time, kasi wala kang, you're already at home, you're not spending anything because your parents were the one responsible providing you the basic needs, pero nagsumasahod ka. No offense po for those who are suffering during that time. I feel you po. This is my experience. I am saying that it was a happy moment for me. But though there were so many restrictions, and of course there are so many other things that you have to consider, so that you might not be able to be insensitive, you have to consider, because there are so many things that you have to think about, your health, the health of your family. But syempre, diba, little by little, we're looking for something that will make us happy during that time. And for me, I think the outlet of my happiness, and it's because I am already starting my master's degree in UP during that time. So parang feeling ko, since nasusurvivan ko ang pandemic, nasusurvivan ko din ang aking master's, kahit I initially enrolled for a regular class, pero because of the pandemic, biglang nag-shift sa online class. To make myself happy during that time, I bought this in 2021. This is already at the middle na ata to, in the middle of pandemic, that I bought this Gundam. And it's because I really want to have this one. And sabi ko nga, this is the most satisfying build that I did, or the kit that I bought, because everything that's happening here is really this is what I am dreaming of when I am building this. So, masyado akong masaya. Tsaka almost perfect ang pag-build ko nito. Wala akong nasira dito. Okay? Wala akong nabali or something like that. So, para sa akin, ang perfect ng pagka-build ko sa kanya. And honestly, before I bought this, there was this hesitation for me, kasi parang ang plain niya lang, di ba? Parang feeling ko na parang before I was buying, or before my standard of buying a Gunpla, parang mga ganito na, kasi parang feeling ko worth it dapat siya sa money na ini-spend ko. So maganda na bilhin mo na yung yung maganda, yung merong drama pag binild mo siya. Pero once I was done building this one, I was really captivated of its simplicity. Parang na ako agad. Na-sold na ako. Na parang kahit sabi ko, you don't need anything na talaga. You don't need big guns or even big swords like a katana para dito. Parang you just need to be simple like that, because you are the icon. Yun na yun. You do you na. Parang ganun ka na. Then, after that, so this is what I bought during the pandemic. So I can remember that it was during the pandemic. Then this one, I bought this. This was a time when I went out with a friend. A former friend. Hindi na friend yun. Pero yun, tapos yun, parang out of, kasi I was thinking na parang I was not satisfied with my Gundam Astray Perfect Grade. So, nung nakita ko ito na high RM, kasi nga, sabi ko, on top of my list lagi, gusto ko ang high RM. That's the reason why I bought it. Then, I feel like, kasi ito lahat ng to, yun na nga yung there was this time, another story. It took me, I think, 1 year before I finished building this one. I do not know if it's 1 year or 6 months or something like that. It's because this was the time also that I decided to resign from my former work and transfer back here in Catanduanes. So, natenga talaga siya na nasa loob lang siya ng box. Tapos, hanggang sa naisipan ko na lang siyang ipagpatuloy at i-build. So, parang out of this, kasi ito lahat, sa totoo lang, dahil sa pagiging, alam mo yun, yung parang wala kang pasensya. Hindi pa nga nakakarating ng bahay, binubuksan ko na. And for others, they're saying, take it slowly, do it carefully, do not do not do it fast para mas ma-appreciate mo in building this. Ito, mga ito, parang I feel like I needed to do it fast because I really want to see kung anong kalalabasan niya. Pero ito talaga, it took me a really long time before being able to finish it. Tapos, when I was able to finish it, nahulog siya. Makikita nyo, nahulog siya. Meron siyang scotch tape ngayon. Yan o, nahulog siya. Tapos naputol yan na parang, is this an antenna? Or this is, I don't know what they call this one kasi hindi ako marunong magbasa ng Japanese. Pero parang it's a horn, di ba? Parang siyang sungay ng Gundam. Pero ang iba naman, parang na-off sila when you're saying this is a sungay. Kasi, bakit ano ba to mga ano ba to? Di ba? Mga other side ba to? Pero parang feeling ko nga sungay siya. I do not know what you call this. If you know what they call this one, please, this part ha. So kung makikita nyo dyan, hopefully you can see it right now. Sana nakafocus siya. Pero as you can see, nilagyan ko lang siya ng scotch tape kasi when I tried using super glue, natatanggal lang din. So what I did is, inano ko na lang siya, nilagyan ko na lang siya ng scotch tape at hanggang ngayon, di naman siya natatanggal. But if you have any recommendation, what I'm going to use para ano to, tawag dyan, ma-repair ko siya. Kasi yun lang naman talaga, that's the only thing that's making it, maganda naman siya kasi kahit sa malayo mong tingnan, maganda pa rin naman siya kahit sa malayo mong tingnan. Nangyari lang talaga, if you're going to look closely, mapapansin mo talaga yung scotch tape ng Gundam Astray. So sana, 'di ba, maayos natin. So if you can help me with this one, sana po you can just message or not message but write down your comment on how I can repair this one. Then the last one that I bought, this is in the year 2023. Medyo madugo ang pagbili nito kasi may kumukontra nung binibili ko to. Tapos later on binili lang naman. Kinokontra, tapos pagdating ng bahay, nandun na siya. Nabili na lang din. Pero yun, gustong-gusto ko talaga to kasi yung Gundam Barbatos, ito yung pinakaunang HG na binili ko. No, not HG. The first SD, super deformed na binili ko was Gundam Barbatos. Then I had this vision in my mind that I am going to buy the SD, I'm going to buy the HD, the MG, the high RM, and the perfect grade. Nangyari lang, ang natupad ko lang doon sa pangarap kong yun, when I started with SD, I bought also the HG. Kaso naiwan ko tong SD tsaka HG ko sa sa Makati. So, doon, ano ko sila, naiwan ko. Tapos, ngayon, bumili naman ako ng ito. Na-astigan lang talaga ako dito. Parang, I feel like this one is really cool. Kasi, parang hindi siya yung typical na parang mechanical armored ang dating. Parang mas dating niya is more on alien-like na creature na may pagka-monster na ang effect niya. That's why I really like this one, the Gundam Barbatos. I just don't know how you pronounce it. Pero yung laro kasi yung laro na meron ding Barbatos na character, Barbatos ang basa sa kanya. So I do not know how to pronounce it. If you know how to pronounce this one, the name of this Gunpla, please tell me. This is Gundam Barbatos. Pero this one. As you can notice, I do not have, or hindi ko nilalagyan sila ng accessories like their guns. Ito lang ang meron. Yung katana niya, yan. Yung katana niya nandyan, tapos yung baril niya and the shield nandyan siya. Kasi, nahihirapan ako and I still find time para mailagay. Pero lahat naman yun, nakatago naman at nakalagay sa cabinet. So, yun din, my experience in building this one, I think this one is making me happy. Nakakapagpasaya talaga siya sa akin. Kasi if not, I think I will stop from the moment that I bought this one. Kasi this is really difficult talaga. Building this is really difficult and the moment that you want it to stand up is really difficult. Parang feeling ko nga if I'm going to stay pa a little longer talking here, magi-split na siya at matutumba na siya. Kaya yun ang medyo mahirap sa kanya. Medyo madali rin matanggal yung mga pakpak niya and something like that. Pero even though that if it is making me feel difficult to build this one, still there is something satisfying about this. Kahit nakatayo lang siya and when you're looking at this one, pag tinitingnan mo lang ito, parang sasabihin mo sa sarili mo na talagang, worth it naman talaga. I'm done already explaining to you this favorite and their stories behind. Pero if you are here, kung nandito ka pa rin sa video na ito and you're still watching this video, and you are an expert into collecting Gunpla. Kasi as I am telling you, I may have an experience but I know that there is someone out there in the other part of the world or even in my neighborhood who can actually tell me what I can do in order for me to prevent some of the issues that are evidently seen na as I am looking at these toys every day. Example, meron na siyang mga fading colors or not fading but some of the colors are removing na. Halimbawa, yung mga metallic color dito sa, I cannot lift it ha, pero I am pointing it right now. Like this one, the metallic color gold here in this Wing Zero, nagtanggal na talaga siya. So, is there something that I can buy so that I can just put back or restore the former color? Kasi black na yung ibang part niya at hindi na siya gold. Tapos, the big issue that I noticed, I think I noticed, I have seen this talaga matagal na, but I keep on searching in the internet on what I can do. Pero mas madali pala when there is a community that you're talking. I experienced that last night. There were so many Gundam collectors who were writing comments in my video, the second video that I posted of what I should be choosing between the Wing or the Wing Zero and of course the RX. Now, they were giving their comments about it. That's why I took this video also para i-insert siya in this vlog, asking for your help of what I can do. Kasi itong Gundam Unicorn ko, paborito ko pa naman ito. Parang lahat sila paborito ko. Pero ito parang lahat naman kayo paborito ko. Pero ito kasing Gundam Unicorn ko. I hope that you can see it, pero kung hindi nyo nakikita, I'm going to try my best to move it there. Pero dapat yung maganda pa rin naman siyang tingnan. Pero yan kung makikita nyo po, dati white siya. Tapos ngayon, nawawala na yung white niya. Tapos parang nagiging na siyang yellowish na parang transparent. Now, my fear about this is, what if, di ba? What if kung eventually matanggal na talaga siya? So, what should I do? What can I do about this one? Should I repaint it? If I am going to repaint this one, do I need to be really an expert into repainting or customizing a Gunpla? And what kind of paint should I buy? Kasi I noticed when I bought this one, in the box, it's color white. However, when I started building it, I noticed na pag nagkaroon ng scratch, if it's not scratch or something na malagyan mo lang ng pressure or malagyan mo siya ng scratch, ngayon nga hindi na masyado kasi old na siguro siya. Pero dati, lumalabas yung silver niyang color. It has, hindi ko alam kung two-tone ba ang tawag doon. Kasi pag two-tone, di ba, yung nag-change lang yung color pag sa lighting. Pero yun kasi talaga, when you are doing something like scratching it or you remove something sa sa outer or sa exterior niya, nagiging siyang silver. Kaya ngayon, the problem, marami na, lagi na lang kung merong problema, pero that's my problem. And I hope that you can help me. What am I going to do with this one? Because I really want to, I really want to preserve this. Yung parang ipapass on mo to the next generation so that they can treasure this. Pero I feel like if I am not going to do something about this, by next year, the white color of this one will already fade. At parang transparent na siyang dirty white na hindi mo maintindihan. So if you know anything that I can do so that I can prevent or at least do something about the situation of this Gundam Unicorn, please help me because I really need your help. I really need your suggestion of what I can do. Kasi minsan, I'm not discrediting the credibilities of those people who are posting sa video. Kasi minsan naman, pag nagpo-post sila sa video, hindi mo rin, parang mahirap din maintindihan. It's unless someone is really telling you what you should be doing. So hopefully that you're going to send or you're going to write down a comment about this one because I really want to save this. Diba? Why are we going to let this go, diba? This is something that's really good and it has a memory behind it that I really want to be, or it has a memory that I wanted to remember for a very long time. But that's it. Medyo naging seryoso tayo dun. Medyo a little emotional lang din talaga ako. Kasi I really want to save all of this. Lalong-lalo na. It's not... What I'm saying here is it's not that I am so fanatic when it comes to this one. But, it's the effort of buying and, of course, building it. And that's the reason why we get sad if something that we worked hard for a very long time just to get it, and here the time comes na hindi na siya pwede or there's something wrong happening to it. But that's it. These are my collection and hopefully I will be able to add some more. And syempre, pagdating nung ating i-display sa ating bag, I hope that I'll be able to have the perfect Gundam for that one. And please wait for that because I will definitely post a video about that when I'm doing it. So I'm still thinking whether am I going to buy the RX or I'm going to buy the Wing Zero. Pero my heart talaga, even sabi ko nga sa inyo, kahit medyo mahirap siyang patayuin and ang daming complication na nangyayari sa kanya, still, ito yung parang laban na pwede mong ipaglaban para panalunin. Ano yun, di ba? Well, walang ganun eh. Sometimes talaga, even if you know na it's risky and it's something na will make your life a little challenging and difficult, but still you go for it. That's life. That's the challenge of life, and I hope that you're always up to the challenge of life. But this is where I'm going to stop this video. I hope that I was able to share something sensible to you or something substantial that will be able to help you, of course, into deciding what kind of Gundam or Gunpla you're going to collect. And I hope that you learned something from my experiences. One takeaway that I experienced, sana pala, the very first time that I decided to start collecting Gunpla, hindi ko inuna yung pagiging impulsive ko. Ang inuna ko na muna was studying first what I am going to face when I start this kind of hobby. Pero I am not regretting anything naman. It just happened that I could have prevented. Siguro kung alam ko na kung anong gagawin ko dito, I could have prevented something na hindi na siya magiging ganito. Because it's making me sad right now. Hopefully that you're going to help me saving this one. That's it for my video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye everyone!